money for paid ads, I don't have an audience. Sound familiar? These are the exact excuses I made before discovering the simple commission formula that changed everything. The simple commission formula shows you how I generated over $450,000 in affiliate commissions without complicated tech, paid advertising, or an existing audience. Have you ever wondered why so many people fail at affiliate marketing despite buying course after course? The truth might surprise you. It's not because they lack effort or determination. It's because the systems they're following are deliberately designed to be overly complicated. Let's face it, the affiliate marketing industry has a dirty little secret. Most courses and systems are intentionally packed with unnecessary complexity. They convince you that success requires fancy websites, complex funnels, and technical skills that would make a software engineer sweat. But here's what they don't tell you. All that complexity serves their interests, not yours. When you look behind the curtain, you'll see that many affiliate marketing gurus thrive on selling complicated solutions to what should be simple problems. They make you believe you absolutely need expensive tools, paid advertising platforms, and complicated setups that drain your bank account before you've made your first dollar. It's a system that prioritizes tools over actual results. This complexity triggers what experts call perfectionist paralysis. You get so caught up in getting everything just right, the perfect website, the perfect funnel, the perfect email sequence, that you spend weeks or even months planning instead of taking any meaningful action. You're stuck in preparation mode, never reaching the implementation phase where you could actually start generating income. And then there's the notorious cycle of shiny object syndrome. Just as you're about to make progress with one method, another exciting opportunity catches your eye. This is the one that's finally going to work, you think to yourself. So you abandon your current project and jump to the next promising system, resetting the clock on your progress. This cycle repeats endlessly, keeping you perpetually at square one. The financial drain is just as problematic. Traditional affiliate marketing approaches push you toward paid advertising from day one, expensive monthly software subscriptions, and multiple course purchases, all before you've validated that the method actually works for you. It's like being asked to invest in expensive farming equipment before you've even confirmed your land can grow crops. So why have so many people failed with affiliate marketing despite trying multiple systems? The answer is painfully simple. They're following overly complex methods that prioritize tools and technicalities over what actually generates results. Ever wondered why some people make affiliate marketing look effortless while you're stuck wrestling with complicated funnels and technical setups? The truth is that traditional methods are deliberately over-engineered. What makes Simple Commission Formula different is its revolutionary simplicity, stripping away everything that isn't absolutely necessary for generating commissions. After years of testing and thousands of videos created, I discovered that successful affiliate marketing boils down to just 3 core elements. Unlike conventional systems that have you building websites, learning coding, and mastering complex software, this approach focuses exclusively on creating simple videos using tools you already own. That's right, you don't have to invest in expensive equipment or learn complicated programs. The system works with what you have right now. At the heart of this formula is the help, don't sell framework. Instead of pushing products with aggressive sales tactics that turn people away, you'll learn how to create genuine content that actually helps potential buyers make informed decisions. This approach transforms your content from pushy sales pitches into valuable resources that naturally generate commissions. People buy from those they trust, and this framework builds that trust systematically. What's particularly powerful about the Simple Commission Formula is that it doesn't require an existing audience. Many affiliate marketing programs fail beginners by assuming they already have followers or by pushing expensive advertising as the only solution. The Simple Commission Formula leverages free traffic methods that allow you to start generating commissions without spending a dime on ads or having any prior following. Why do complicated technical setups actually reduce your chances of success? because they create unnecessary obstacles that prevent you from taking consistent action on what truly matters. When you're constantly troubleshooting website issues or trying to figure out complex software, you're not doing the basic activities that actually generate commissions. What truly separates those who succeed with the simple commission formula from those who don't isn't some special talent or lucky break. It's about taking consistent action. Now you have a clear understanding of what it takes to finally break through with affiliate marketing. The best part, you can try the entire system risk-free with the 14-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply email within 14 days and receive a full refund with no questions asked. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The path to success isn't about complicated technology or expensive advertising. It's about following a proven system and taking that first step today. See you inside.